But I've noted that when we are able to stand on our grounds and declare it is just enough, we give God the opportunity to actually intervene. You know, all this while you are struggling with the situation, you are struggling with the addiction, you are struggling with the hardship, and then you are like, God will come in my situation and will solve it. God will actually do it one day. But you know, you have actually not involved Him. Hi, lovely people. Thank you so much for tuning into my channel this day. I have a special message as part of the reminder edition to live with you that I've captioned. It is just enough. I repeat, it is just enough. I've noted most of the time we grumble in our situations for so long. We sit and then we cry. We fail to take initiatives, and these situations actually eat us up all these years. But I've noted that when we are able to stand on our grounds and declare it is just enough, we give God the opportunity to actually intervene. You know, all this while you are struggling with the situation, you are struggling with the addiction, you are struggling with the hardship, and then you are like, God will come in my situation and will solve it. God will actually do it one day. But you know, you have actually not involved Him. Look at the issue of the woman that had blood. You know, this woman saw how bad her state was, and then she said, ignoring all what people are saying, ignoring what they are thinking about me, ignoring how bad I feel, I am just going and doing everything possible to touch the hem of Jesus. You know, she knew that it is good for her to say it is enough of the situation and then approach what will help her solve the situation. Just like blind Bartimaeus, this man, regardless of how people were shouting at him, young man, keep quiet, don't shout at Jesus. He said, I ignore all what you are saying. All what I need is to be able to shout out Jesus, intervene, and then let me see. You know, he knew the need to say it is enough of the situation. I know for a fact that if you are also going to take that bold step and say to yourself, it is enough of whatever I'm going through, it is enough of the failure, it is enough of the marriage decisions and hardship, it is enough of the relationship that is becoming more of a crisis, and then you shout that Jesus, intervene in my situation, I tell you for a fact, you are going to meet your miracle, and you are going to meet your testimonies that you will share to a lot of people. That will be a blessing to them. I believe you were blessed with today's edition. If it did bless you, why not? Let's like it and then share, and as well subscribe to my channel and make a lot of people get to know that it is just enough. I love you all, and do enjoy the rest of the day. Bye.